Hello, brother. I just given a taste of the chapter called Animal Kingdom, where I secured my rank 15 out of 2004 students with my marks 8 out of 10. Here are the question begins. First question is saying that in the food cycle of each organism, complex substances are broken down into simpler ones, which then diffuse into cytoplasm. Answer is amoeba, and their explanation is over here. If you read, and you will get that the answers. Organisms of which of the following phylum are called the sponges? Answer is porifera, of course. Select the process responsible for the stability of populations of a species. Answer is reproduction, because if you do reproduction, the stability of the population will remains, and otherwise no. Mutation, no. Evolution, no. Variation, no. The flying fox is a what? Bat in the context to India's wildlife. Not a fish, not a lizard, not a cat. Which of the following animals is not an amphibian? Frogs is an amphibian. Calicin is an amphibian. Salamanders is an amphibian. Python is an reptile, because python is a snake and snakes are reptiles. What is the thread-like structure in rhizopus? It's hyphae, because one rhizopus plant attached to another rhizopus plant by a hyphae, and these are in clusters. So many rhizopus present in a one go. So hyphae, they are connected to each other, and the thread-like structure is called hyphae. Ichthyophis bedomia, a worm-like amphibian that can swim, belongs to which genus? Actually, this is a limbless amphibian, not a long hind limbs amphibian, not a reduced forelimbs amphibian, not a short limbs amphibian. It's a limbless amphibian. They don't have limbs. How many criteria were used by Whitaker for classification? Of course, 5 criteria they used for classification: plant, animal, protista, monera, and fungus. In organisms such as amoeba, the splitting of the two cells during division can take place in any plane, not in one fixed plane, not in two fixed plane, not multiple equal planes. No, because this is binary fission, not multiple fission. Multiple fission in plasmodium. Which of the following organism does not show asexual reproduction by means of fission? Leishmania, binary fusion, asexual reproduction present. Amoeba, asexual reproduction, binary fusion present. Earthworm is a sexual reproduction, male and female both present in a same individual, but this is the sexual reproduction. Sperms transferring to the female ova part and happens. Plasmodium is a asexual reproduction, binary multiple fission. So not a sexual reproduction is earthworm, because earthworm is a sexual reproduction hermaphrodite. Till then, bye. See you soon with other kind of stuff.